Today's lecture topic is generator maintenance. The DC generator requires periodic cleaning, lubrication, inspection of brushes and commutator and testing of brush spring tension. In addition, the electrical connections need attention to ensure clean metal-to-metal contact and tightness. Some generators have hinged cap oilers. Lubricate these with a few drops of medium weight oil at each maintenance cycle. Do not over lubricate because as excessive amount of oil can get on the commutator and prevent the brushes from functioning properly. Visually and manually inspect the condition of all cables, clamps, wiring and terminal connections. See that the generator drape pulley is tight on the shaft and that the belt is in good condition and adjusted properly. Also ensure that the generator is securely mounted and has a good ground. Remove the cover band on the generator so equipped and inspect the inner surface of the generator cover band for tiny globules of solder. If any solder is found, the generator is producing excessive current and has melted the solder used in connecting the armature wires to the commutator bars. This condition requires removal of the generator to repair or replace the armature. If no solder is found, inspect the commutator brushes and the electrical connections. If the commutator is dirty or slightly rough, using 00 sandpaper and smooth it. Never use emery cloth on the commutator. Once the commutator has been sanded, blow compressed air through the interior of the generator to remove any excess dirt and brush particles. Lift the brushes in the brush holder to see that they are free to operate and have sufficient tension to prevent arching and burning of the commutator and brushes. The brushes are worn down to one half of their original length. Replace them. Most generators today are not equipped with cover bands. They may have been open slots over the commutator or be sealed entirely. On those with open slots, the commutator can be sanded through the slots, but brush removal can only be accomplished by removing the commutator end frame. On sealed units, maintenance can only be performed after disassembly. Generator repair. Generators are disassembled only when major repairs are to be made. Other than cleaning commutators and replacing worn brushes during periodic maintenance, generators require very few repairs during normal service life. However, if neglected, generators will develop problems that cannot be remedied in the field. Before removing a generator suspected of being faulty, you should check the battery as discussed earlier and the generator output. Refer to the manufacturer's manual for correct generator output specifications and proper testing procedures. If the generator is operating properly and the battery, wiring and the connections are in operating conditions, the defective voltage regulator is indicated in most cases the regulator is removed and replaced. However, if the generator is not producing the specified amperes at the specified engine speed, then it must be removed for vehicle and either repaired or replaced. The testing of field coils include to test the generator field. You must disconnect the grounded ends from the frame. Place one probe of the test clamp circuit on the field terminal end of the coils and the other probe on the grounded end. If the lamp lights, the field circuit is complete. However, because of the resistance in the field coil wire, it should not bum with normal brilliancy. Normal brilliancy of the test light bulb indicates a possible short circuit between the coils of the field. If the light does not burn, the field is open circuited.